So today I believe we have a certain topic of interest. Today we are going to talk about how you can use your massage gun to alleviate pain or tightness or whatever in your IT band. And I believe this is a problem a lot of people have, especially if you are exercising a lot or you're in a sport or something like this. The IT band will be something that accumulates a lot of stress. This is for various different reasons, and we'll talk about that later, but primarily I want to talk about just how we can use our massage gun. So let's go ahead and get started. What is your IT band? Well, IT band is kind of short term for the iliotibial band. Did I get that right? Iliotibial band, yeah. So essentially this is a band or a strip of connective tissue or fascia that runs down the side of your leg, usually on the lateral side, so on your rightmost side or the leftmost side of your thigh. This is kind of a web of connective tissue and fascia that holds a lot of our muscles together. And this place gets tight very often, especially if we're playing a lot of sports, because it's connected to a lot of different muscles, and a lot of different muscles run into this. The IT band is not the source of problem. This is where the problem accumulates. So we might be feeling a lot of pain and tightness here from accumulating muscles such as our glutes, our hamstrings, our quadriceps. These all kind of run into the IT band, and these are the actual sources of problems that we want to target. But the IT band is just a place where a lot of this tightness accumulates because, like I said, this is a web that holds it all kind of together. So you might be feeling pain, you might be feeling tightness in your IT band, but if you want long-term solutions, you have to look at other problems and other areas of your body that are causing this tightness upon your IT band. Okay, so now that we kind of understand that or have a grasp on that, how do we get rid of this tightness, or how do we at least temporarily alleviate it? Because when it comes to massage guns and using massage guns, these are generally temporary solutions. Always keep that in mind. They are not long-term solutions, but they are very helpful and very important for mediating this kind of pain as we move along our athletic career or as we move along our daily lives. So the most standard way of using our massage gun on our IT band would be to take the head of the massage gun. I would use either the ball head or maybe even the flat head. There's this one really interesting head for the Bob and Brad massage gun that I've been starting to like using. Usually I only use the ball head, but this one's actually proven pretty effective, at least in my experience. So I would take whichever one you prefer and just run up and down vertically the sides of your IT band. You can do this while sitting, you can do this while standing. What's important is to take it slow. Run the massage gun up and down slowly and really take your time doing this, because the faster you go, the less you're actually doing. You want to take things slower and try and press in deep towards the body of the IT band. This is important because what you're trying to do is you're really trying to squeeze out the tightness or any accumulated tightness. And the IT band is a very thick and large part of your body, so you might have to go up and down different areas of your IT band. Like, you're not going to cover it with just the massage head or the ball of the massage head. Understand that you're going to have to do this in layers, rows, and columns to really cover the entire span of the IT band. And a lot of what you're going to be doing is going to accumulate at either the head or the base of your IT band. So what I mean by this is that you really want to focus not only running up and down the IT band, but you want to focus on the ends of the IT band as well. So a lot of the tightness will accumulate around the glutes, where your IT band meets your glutes, and also where your IT band meets your quads. So I'll show you guys an example right here. So what I'm showing you guys right now is an area of accumulated tightness that occurs when your IT band meets your quadriceps. And this is an area you want to target as well. I would recommend doing circles here, mainly because it's kind of a smaller area of pressure. So you can really focus on it by doing circles with your massage gun. So you can really target this area by running in circles, both clockwise and counterclockwise. And you don't really have to use your massage gun to run in a two-dimensional axis like vertical or horizontal. It's important to get all of these out. So we want a three-dimensional type of release, and that's why we're running in circles here. It's important to stay at least 30 seconds to a minute here and maybe do a few of these every day. And I think this is a good way to release your IT bands. Another way is, like I said, the other extreme, the other end of your IT band accumulates where your glutes would meet your IT band. And so you do the same thing, run in circles, 30 seconds to a minute of circles clockwise, counterclockwise, and do this several times, maybe 2 to 3 times every day until the pain or tightness kind of gets alleviated. And this is an important part to target as well. So after you've done your rounds, you've done your sets, this should make you feeling a lot better. At least in my experience, it has made me feel a lot better whenever I get tight along the IT bands. What I recommend would be to add a few stretches as well to your regimen, and you should be feeling a lot better after doing these things. If you're not, then it might be the problem is coming from a different nature or a different area of your body. So that's what we have for the video today. Hopefully this helped you guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you like this video, please do like the video, subscribe to this channel for more massage gun videos, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.